Meet the Vocoo digital kitchen timer, sleek, magnetic, and super handy for any kitchen. In this unique review, we'll not only share real customer feedback but also compare Vocoo side by side with top kitchen timers using a detailed comparison table. Watch till the end to see if this gadget truly lives up to the hype and if it's worth your money. The Vocoo digital kitchen timer is a sleek, modern tool that makes time management easy in the kitchen and beyond. Its large LED display is bright and easy to read, perfect for quick glances while cooking or multitasking. It features a strong magnetic back that sticks to any metal surface, so it's always within reach, no stands or mounts needed. The twist-to-set dial makes setting the timer fast and frustration-free, ideal for all ages, from busy cooks to seniors and kids. With countdown and count-up modes, plus adjustable volume settings, it's great for everything from baking to study sessions. You can even choose a loud beep or a softer tone depending on your environment. It also comes with a pause button, anti-slip base, and a USB-C rechargeable battery, combining style, convenience, and functionality. Whether you're timing meals, workouts, or routines, the Vocoo timer adds simplicity and precision to your day. Truly a smart, versatile gadget for any modern home. The Vocoo digital kitchen timer offers a premium experience with its large LED display, twist dial control, adjustable volume, and USB-C rechargeable battery. It also features a strong magnetic back for easy placement. In contrast, most other timers are low cost, with small screens, button controls, fixed volume, no magnetic support, and replaceable batteries. Vocoo clearly leads in both design and functionality. Customers love this timer for its simple, one-button design and easy-to-use dial. They appreciate the loud enough but not obnoxious alarm and the convenient magnet. The only minor gripe is the dial's fast speed, sometimes requiring a bit of backtracking to set the exact time. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest gadget reviews and kitchen tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.